Best deals.
1. Sticker Series Mop. This is handy in a kitchen as well as in bathroom. All it needs is a smooth surface to stick onto. Never falls off. High load bearing capacity of 5 kg. Supports almost all mops available in market. Make sure you are using the mop holder on a clean smooth surface like tiles, marble, granite, glass, sunmica, veneer, bakelite. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Hair dryer wall mount bedroom shelves. The backing of bathroom blow dryer storage has a powerful adhesive sticker. It can be installed in a few seconds. The adhesive stickers featuring strong, ensuring durability and dependability, made of top-grade light smooth plastic. Premium durable plastic material to resist daily scratches, corrosion, and tarnishing. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Toothbrush holder. With this multifunctional toothbrush holder keep brushes, toothpaste, daily toiletries in order for being easy to find, making the bathroom appear more cleaner and neater. Strong adhesiveness protects against water and provides extra strength and durability. Toothbrush racks fit 6 toothbrushes securely. Keep your washroom clean and tidy with space-saving design of this toothbrush stand. Store your lotions, combs, beauty cream, face washes. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Towel rack. Rack is crafted from high-strength aluminum and finished with a 7-layer powder coating for enhanced durability. Rack ensures long-lasting performance, even in humid bathroom conditions. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Towel ring. Strong adhesiveness protects against water and provides extra strength and durability and has high load-bearing capacity. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Toilet roll paper holder. These bathroom tissue holder are designed to provide a secure grip and can withstand the weight and movement associated with toilet paper rolls, ensuring they remain in place and long-lasting performance in wet and humid bathroom environments. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Teddy bear holder. With self-adhesive backing, installation is a breeze. Simply peel and stick to any smooth surface without the need for drilling or hardware. Designed to hold toothbrushes, toothpaste, and other bathroom essentials, keeping your countertop organized and clutter-free. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Bathroom shelf. Suitable for installation on tiles, glass, mirrors, laminates, marble, metal or any other smooth surface. Magic Sticker is an innovative formula that grasps the surface firmly and greatly improves the loading ability. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Tissue paper holder. Made up of chrome metal plus SEBS plus PC material. Foil rack has strong load-bearing capacity of 5 kg with powerful adhesion system. Sticker has strong adhesiveness, protects against water and provides extra strength and durability. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Cutlery holder. Crafted of hard solid plastic and has high load-bearing capacity and holds up to 5 kg with powerful adhesion system. Cutlery organizer comes with 3 storage compartments which allow you to organize the space for your cutlery such as spoon, fork, chopstick, knives, spatula, ladle and 4 hanging hooks. Simply choose a smooth surface to install. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Soap holder. Tray is made up of stainless steel and has high load bearing, and the bottom hole design of this soap keeper organizer allows water to drain quickly and helps keep soap dry and clean. Organize your kitchen sink tools, sponges, scrubbers, household. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Towel holder. Hanger is widely used in bathroom, bedroom, kitchen, refrigerator and any smooth surface places. Simply choose a smooth surface such as tiles, glass, metal. Apply it and you're done. In no time. Press and flat the magic sticker pad, squeeze the air out from middle to edge. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Shelf. Innovative formula that grasps the surface firmly and greatly improves the loading ability and service life of wall-mounted accessories in bathroom, kitchens and elsewhere in the home, with no damage to your walls. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Soap shelves. A wide single towel bar is perfect for hanging hand towels or face towels, could be set up in kitchen, bathroom or living room. Easy installation, waterproof and high load bearing capacity. Once installed on any smooth and flat surface, the product can easily take a load of up to 5 kg. Also, it has no adverse effect of even continuous running water over it. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Steel shelf. Detachable design makes it easy to remove and clean. The shelf is especially designed to ensure that it does not lean forward when loaded. Adhesive-based Magic Sticker is 100% water resistant, making your shelf retain its durability even when in regular contact with water. It's strong and durable. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Hook rail. Sticker is an innovative formula that grasps the surface firmly and greatly improves the loading ability and service life of wall-mounted accessories in bathroom, kitchens and elsewhere in the home, with no damage to your walls. Never falls off from the wall once you stick it, it's beautiful and elegant to look. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Plastic shower caddy. Bathroom organizers comes with strong self-adhesive Magic Sticker. No extra tool or hardware required for installation. A sleek edge around the shelf is designed specifically to prevent any falls from the shelf. Simply choose a smooth surface such as tiles, glass, metal to install. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Towel rod. Has high load bearing capacity and holds up to 5 kg, never falls off from the wall once you stick it. Strong adhesiveness protects against water and provides extra strength and durability. Keep your face towels ready for personal use with the elegant style and finish of this towel rods. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Corner shelf. Crafted from high-quality aluminum, this bathroom organizer ensures long-lasting durability. Its sturdy construction makes it a reliable addition to your bathroom cabinet or wash basin with cabinet setup. Enjoy an easy and drill-free installation with self-adhesive hooks. This bathroom corner shelf for wall sticks firmly, providing a hassle-free setup without damaging your walls. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Soap holder. Composed of ABS, which makes it a long-lasting product. There are no volatile organic chemicals in this product, making it safe, non-toxic, and easy to use. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Mobile holder. Is ideal for storing phones, remotes, keys, pens, makeup tools, and more. A great solution to reduce clutter in bedrooms, kitchens, bathrooms, and offices. Each unit features built-in side hooks for hanging earphones, cables, hair ties, or keychains. This wall-mounted phone holder combines storage and utility in one compact space-saving design. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Towel ring. This self-adhesive towel ring features a modern round design that complements various bathroom interiors. With no drilling required, installation is easy and mess-free. Just peel off the 3M adhesive backing and press onto a clean, dry surface. Product link is given in the 22nd link.